Today is a special day because my new Monport Onyx 55W CO2 laser has finally arrived. I'm going to unbox it with my husband and see what this machine has to offer. It's going to replace my Vevor 80-watt gantry laser, and I'm really excited about it. The packaging for this laser is top-notch. It arrived on a rainy day, but everything inside looks well protected. Let's dive in and take a closer look at this impressive piece of machinery. The Monport Onyx 55W has a sleek and modern design that really stands out. It's built for precision and efficiency, making it perfect for a wide range of engraving and cutting projects. This laser features a Gantry-style engraving system that gives you precise control over the laser head movement, resulting in clean and detailed results. Despite its power, it's compact and fits perfectly in small workspaces at home, in an office, or in a studio. The work table is spacious, providing plenty of room for different materials and project sizes. The autofocus feature is a game changer, as it automatically adjusts to the perfect focal distance, saving time and making setup easier. One of the coolest features is the upgraded rotary axis, allowing for smooth and precise engraving on cylindrical objects. Plus, it comes with a built-in camera, integrated cooling system, and air assist, everything you need right out of the box. Operating the Onyx is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly DSP controller and full compatibility with LightBurn software. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, navigating, adjusting, and managing your projects is seamless. I'm thrilled to upgrade to the Monport Onyx laser. I can't wait to test it out and share my projects with you all. Stay tuned for tutorials and exciting projects featuring this amazing machine. And if you're interested in getting your own Monport laser, don't forget to check out the links and discount codes in the description for an exclusive 8 to 10% off.